Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Grid EV charging support for smart charger installs. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the National Grid website. Navigate to the electric vehicle charging section. Review the eligibility requirements for the charging support program. Gather your necessary documents, which may include proof of residence and electrical plans. Determine the type of smart charger you plan to install. Ensure your chosen charger meets the specifications set by National Grid. If applicable, check for any local regulations or permits required for installation. Prepare an installation timeline that fits within the National Grid guidelines. Contact a licensed electrician for a professional assessment of your property. Discuss your planned installation and the potential benefits of the National Grid support. Obtain a quote for the installation work from your electrician. Submit your smart charger application on the National Grid website. Provide any supporting documentation requested during the application process. Once submitted, monitor your application status through your online account. After approval, schedule your installation with your electrician. Ensure they follow all National Grid protocols during the installation. Keep all receipts and documents related to the installation for future reference. Test the smart charger once installed to ensure it functions correctly. Consider taking advantage of any additional National Grid resources for EV owners. Enjoy the benefits of your new smart charger and the support provided by National Grid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.